Today we are talking about real-time project management in construction. James Ellis is Head of Sales at VisiLean.
VisiLean was originally founded in 2015 in Finland. We have offices in 3 countries, 40 employees, and now working in over 15 different countries. Our background of research and experts involved make us the world leaders in the domain of Lean and BIM. We are heavily involved in academic and industry circles internationally and part of the organisations such as IGLC and LCI. VisiLean has proven innovation capabilities with vast amounts of papers, citations, and even patents in the application. VisiLean is formed of 3 directors, Dr. Bhargav Davi, Martin Ziliakos, and Stefan Boddy. Bhargav has spent over 2 decades in research and is an expert of Lean and BIM. Martin has a wealth of experience working in large companies and also startups. Stefan has over 15 years experience in developing solutions, and James Ellis has over 20 years experience also working with large and small organisations. On our right, we have Professor Lauri Koskela and Professor Raphael Sachs. These are both 2 internationally recognised experts for their involvement in Lean and BIM. Both are key advisors on our board from day one, and they have given us the expertise in helping us steer to the solution for the success. The benefits of VisiLean is all about better collaboration and communication through simple visualization. Being able to receive real-time data back from site, which helps predict and manage the project more efficiently and aids in staying on track. Be able to communicate from one platform for designers, BIM managers, subcontractors, main contractors, and even the client. Receive automatic handovers once the task has been completed. This prevents any overruns. And how we monitor and track daily progress using our dashboard and pre-built reports for management visualization. Here you can see a Lean workflow diagram. Whether it's in the design phase, pre-construction, or construction phase, each are vital to delivering a successful project. Starting with the original Gantt chart and breaking down the milestones or top level plans. Diving deeper into the program using our scheduler, VisiLean provides a digital look at the last planner system, displaying 3 months, 3 weeks, or weekly look aheads of all activities, and utilizing the dashboard to track the performance, delays, issues, all in real time, and provide continuous improvements throughout the life cycle. VisiLean has the capabilities of importing project plans natively from other solutions with all milestones, workflows, and logic within minutes. We can also import natively from any 2D or 3D software to integrate our plans and models for live 4D BIM scheduling. Construction simplified. A production engine designed for construction sites, VisiLean is a construction management platform that empowers teams to collaboratively plan and successfully deliver projects. With a platform that offers Lean tools and workflows to enhance communication, VisiLean helps stitch the gap between the production crew on site and the staff in the project offices. The heart of VisiLean is a pool planning engine which follows the last planner workflow for collaborative planning. With all your teams on one platform, VisiLean enables the ground level crews to provide reliable commitments for the work to be executed. With VisiLean, this production level information is linked to the Gantt schedule, so you're always keeping an eye on the project timeline and the milestones. VisiLean, the only software that integrates this bottom-up execution with top-down planning, offering unmatched integration with all the leading scheduling platforms, including MSP and P6, to import your schedules or create them directly on VisiLean. With this power of dynamic scheduling, VisiLean helps merge several levels of plans in one combined view, which is then distributed with the team collaboratively. As pioneers in this distributed scheduling space and the first ever solution to integrate Lean workflows with BIM at the ground level, VisiLean offers 4D visualization like none other in the industry. With production level plans linked to model elements, the teams can visualize the jobs at a very high level of detail, making it the only such solution in the world. Any updates from the VisiLean mobile app is reflected on the model in real time. The mobile app, available on both Android and iOS, connects the field crew with both the site and the head offices, giving your teams the power to update on-site status by the second from anywhere across the globe. This means that you will never miss a beat and the crews always have access to the information they need in their hand. With VisiLean enabling the workflow of information across the supply chain with reliable updates from site, you can always remain on top of your projects for proactive planning rather than firefighting. As a cloud-based platform, VisiLean can be accessed from anywhere using a browser. Logging in gives you access to your portfolio, which offers an overview of your projects at a glance. Developed on lean principles with a keen focus on continuous improvement, VisiLean provides you a completely automated dashboard where you can monitor the health of your project and focus on the key pain points. With VisiLean, you can interact with your data the way you like through our dynamic reporting tool that allows for customizable fields to choose the exact information you wish to review. With an Excel-like look and feel, the table view allows for instantaneous filtering and generating PDF reports at the click of a button. As we've all been affected with COVID-19, VisiLean created the ability to plan and manage workforce to prevent overcrowding on site. As construction sites start opening up, there is still the need to monitor or manage workforce and allow social distancing. Keeping up with the current global scenario and based on customer requests, VisiLean has developed an enhancement to its production management service to set and track the on-site workforce. To meet your productivity and safety requirements, our workforce planning module allows you to create your own location breakdown, structure, and set maximum limits for workforce respectively. It gives you alerts when you exceed or about to exceed your maximum, allowing workforces to ensure efficient logistics with minimum sets of risk. During execution, VisiLean will track actual count of the workers by location in real time. Whenever there is a high conjunction, the system sends alerts to managers to avoid any safety or flow risks. Our live dashboard shall provide an interactive interface to manage the workforce remotely. During execution, VisiLean will track actual count of the workers by location in real time. Whenever there is a high conjunction, the system sends alerts to the managers to avoid any safety or flow risks. The live dashboard shall provide an interactive interface to manage the workforce remotely. Constraints are potential risks that can delay the project or hinder progress. Whether design issues or change requests, snagging or construction constraints, VisiLean can manage the entire process as a separate solution or connected to activities that require actioning. Daily progress is vital to understand the current situation or any issues, and normally requires information coming from multiple parties to report or export to manipulate the data. As the information is being updated by the mobile app, all the data is being analysed and recorded in the background. Our auto-generating report capabilities show the status of every task without exporting of data or chasing teams for updates. Working across all sectors working worldwide in tendering, pre-design, design, pre-construction and construction phases, it allows owners, clients and architects or consultants through the site and teams to collaborate with only one single source of data. Now, we're working in over 15 different countries and we have some fantastic reference sites with projects as small as €50,000 and ongoing projects of over €2 billion. VisiLean has the expertise not only to provide software, but even run the collaborative planning sessions on a daily or weekly basis if required. We specialise in helping teams understand the benefits, aid in the culture shock, and help drive continuous improvements. We have highlighted a few of our Superloop users and their feedback. KIEREN Hunt is the head of planning, originally piloted VisiLean on a €1 billion project in the desert. KIEREN stated that if he could get 80% of updates in real time coming back from site daily, it would be 80% more than the current process. They signed an enterprise agreement and are currently involved in multiple projects with them. Here is a live photo of a live project with Alec in Dubai and also the team having a collaborative session at the job site. DERON is an MEP coordinator and was our first USA customer. We provided daily support for a 3-month pilot and it was that successful. We are now working on 3 projects and continuing to improve performance. Katie has been a lean leader for many years, working with Graham and collaborating with Highways England. Katie has managed to implement VisiLean not only on an infrastructure project, but they are also managing all of the commitments outside of even the design phases to provide KPIs to Highways England. Kevin MCHUGH introduced VisiLean over 2 years on a Facebook data center project. Kevin managed to capture the findings and released a case study to the market with absolutely staggering results. So MACE, as I just discussed, had already built 2 data halls of a similar size. The first build, they introduced third-party planning solutions, BIM solutions, and field solutions. On the second build, they introduced the same software, but included lean construction processes manually, including sticky notes and whiteboards. And on the third build, they introduced VisiLean and included these digital touchscreens in this gold command room. As you can see from the images, they are collaborating and updating using their phones or laptops. Our solution sends out a make-ready task to the contractors, foremen, workers, etc. to their mobile device before the starting activity. The users must accept the activity, confirming they have everything ready ahead of the start date. MACE were able to get all activities starting on time without any delays. Once the worker completes the activity, the quality approval team is notified immediately to inspect or check their work. Once they sign off, it notifies the next worker in the milestone that they can start their activity. MACE were able to start and have seamless handovers and optimize the plan and prevent delays. As you can see from the right-hand side, that CLN1, the first build, took 21 weeks to build, 16 weeks for the building 2, and 9 weeks when they introduced VisiLean onto the third building. On the left, you can see they recorded 60% reduction in defects, 43% improvement in program efficiency, and a staggering 45% reduction in labor spend. There are no illusions in the fact that after building the first 2, they would have improved and the learning curve would bring down the construction timings. But the 43% improvement in program efficiency was solely VisiLean's solution and services that helped them achieve this. On average, VisiLean reduces labor spend on every project between 10 to 30%. Up to 50% of production time on traditional construction projects is unproductive due to poor planning, coordination, and tracking on job sites. Construction companies find it very difficult to learn from their mistakes and repeat the same. Thank you.